Hello? Yeah.
Hey friends, what's up? MayG the Human here. I am about to go face paint for 4 hours at an animal sanctuary. I'm actually super excited. I want to see what kind of animals are there and I hope they let me touch them. Going through my makeup routine really quick. You know, getting ready for the day, getting crazy, putting my brows on. I already got my blush on, if you can't tell. Brows blush, gotta put some sparkles on. Tough. Oh, excuse me, my brow pencil, Easy Breezy Brow Fill Plus Definer. Light brown. Some people keep telling me that I need to dye my eyebrows blue, but I really just feel like I would look like a clown, which, I mean, I'm already twisting balloons and stuff, so I don't think I should have blue eyebrows too. Plus, like, what would I do when my hair fades like this? Just, like, give my brow a little ombre too? I can't. Sparkles, once again, whoever gave this to me, I mean, left it at my house. Mucho gracias. Sparkle time, a little on the brows, cause I don't know why, but I like a sparkly face. And I put a little bit on my nose because I saw someone do that in a video. I'm so with the... Oh my gosh, I don't know where my lipstick is. This is a tragedy. Ah! Poop! I have like 3 or 4 pink and purple lipsticks running around somewhere. There's got to be one. Be minty fresh. My face is gonna be right in kids' faces, so this is very nice of me. I'm so polite. Black. I really don't know why I carry this around in my makeup bag. I probably wear black once every 3 years. But it's okay, cause I found my extra pink lipstick. So it's a color stick. Is this even supposed to go on my lips? It doesn't say lips on it. I'm gonna braid my hair cause I don't want it flying away. Oh my goodness. I love having long hair, but like, I could take a nap while I braid it. We're almost to the bottom. You're getting there. You're doing it. This hair tie today. Scrunchy pink purple, scrunchy pink furry. Scrunchy pink furry, okay. The quality of this is literally is just like a piece of fabric fluff wrapped around a hairnail. Give it some volume. I just don't want it to look like I just did it. I don't know why, that's just my preference. Give my ends just like a little pump up if they need it, you know? See what it looks like. Oh god, down there. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes. I gotta go. Bye. I feel like now is a good time to mention that I am deathly afraid of horses. I'm looking at about seriously 24 horses right now. Wish me luck. Mom, I love you. Peanut, I love you. Have a great life. XOXO guys. This is MayG the Human. I've never really seen like a country part of Colorado. Alright. Where are the animals though? Oh yeah. I'm also allergic to hay. smile for me. Thank you. You get someone over here. Okay. There you go. You like it? Will you smile right here for me? Beautiful! Just smile. Thank you. Like it? Yeah, you smile right here for me. Thank you. You're good. Oh, smile there. There you go. You're good. Thank you so much. I still haven't found the animals. Found the bathrooms. Oh yeah. Yay! Thank you. It was a long day face painting. Just gonna take a little video of me and the horses. Horse eye? Oh wait, no. Couldn't think of the plural. And we're back. Also a very dirty day. I found an animal! Hi! Just enjoying a little midnight snack. I hope you humans have a wonderful night. Please subscribe, maybe a thumbs up.